Alright, the word is over now, and I'm so excited to give you a glimpse of the newly Oukitel K12 smartphone which I have right now. So let's get this started. Okay, so as you can see, here is the phone which I have right now in my hand. I'm trying to take this out. Okay, so check this cover out. Here's the cover on the phone. Let me have you the rear view of this phone. The cover features what the phone really have, and it has a octa-core processor and a face recognition ID, and also 10,000 mAh battery, and here's also a fingerprint scanner. Okay, so what do we have more on this phone? So let me take this out. Okay, so here's a charger. Oh, it's this stuff. And also we have the cable to charge the device, and the Type-C cable to transfer the data to another device. Here we also have a glass to protect the screen. Okay, so here is also a warranty certification card. Alright. And we have a guide over here to operate the phone properly. As you can see, here is a pin to get access to the SIM. Okay, so what do we have more? Okay, there's nothing inside this. So I'm taking this cover out. So as you can see, there's a front camera on top of the phone, and on the right side of it you can find two buttons. One is to control the volume, and on the one is we have the power button. On its bottom it has a charging port and also a speaker. To the left you can get access to the SIM card. Okay, now let's get this unlocked. So as you can see that I have unlocked this phone. It may take a few seconds to get it started. As you can see, it is being started. So yeah, it's opened. Okay, now so I'm getting connected to Wi-Fi. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay with us to get the review on this phone in our next video. Until then, do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.